In today's guide, you'll learn how to make Google Form public but not editable, while preventing respondents from editing their answers after submission. First, open your browser and go to Google Forms. Sign in with your Google accounts to access your Forms dashboard. Once you're logged in, select the form you want to share. After opening your form, click the Send button in the top right corner. Choose the link icon to generate your shareable URL. If you want anyone with the link to access it, make sure there are no organization restrictions enabled in the settings. Next, click the Settings gear icon at the top of the form. In the Settings window, go to the Responses section. Look for the option labeled Allow Response Editing. If this box is checked, respondents can edit their answers after submitting. Since you want the form to be public but not editable, make sure this option is unchecked. While you're in the settings, also confirm that Accepting Responses is turned on so people can submit the form. Once you've adjusted these settings, click Save. Your form is now public, anyone with the link can respond, and respondents will not be able to edit their submissions after they send them in. You can now copy the shareable link from the Send menu and distribute it via email, social media, or your website with confidence. And that's it. Your Google form is ready to collect responses securely without allowing edits after submission.